Hi, future Greyhounds. My name is Daniela, and I'm an admissions counselor here at the University of Indianapolis. I want to take a moment to walk you through the Financial Aid Award Letter, which breaks down scholarships, the loans you qualify for, your net cost, and the next steps in the enrollment process. First, UIndy estimated direct cost. This is the estimate on how much UIndy will cost per year before financial aid is applied. As you can see across the letter, there are 3 columns. 2 break down the cost per semester, and 1 lists the cost per year. You will then see 3 expenses in this section. Tuition is the cost to attend classes at UIndy. Fees maintain student activities and facilities. If you're living on campus, you'll also see costs for housing and a required meal plan. The final line will show you the total costs per semester as well as per year. UIndy has lots of financial aid available to help make these costs more affordable. Under scholarships and grants, you will see the type of aid and how it applies either per semester or the total annual cost. These are awards that you do not have to repay back. The federal Pell Grant, Federal Supplemental Educational Opportunities Grant, or FSEOG, and state grants like Franco-Bannon or 21st Century Scholarship are all determined by your FAFSA. Your UIndy Merit Scholarship is based on your high school GPA. Institutional scholarships, like a UIndy Award or a Room Award, are additional scholarships or awards you earned from UIndy. These can be merit or need-based. Your scholarship totals are listed under Total Scholarships and Grants. Your estimated net cost is how much you'll have to pay out of pocket after grants and scholarships are applied. The bottom half of your letter is going to detail other opportunities you have available to you. The first category is student loans. You don't need to accept any or all of the student loans listed here. These will simply be what you qualify for. Federal direct, subsidized, and unsubsidized loans are low-interest loans you qualify for from filing your FAFSA. Your total loan eligibility is listed at the bottom. Your estimated outstanding expenses not covered by scholarships, grants, and loans will then appear here. Other self-help options may be listed at the bottom and could include federal work study. We have many job opportunities on and off campus, and even here at the UIndy admissions office. If a student is able to find a job on campus, their earnings can go towards tuition as well. The estimated annual pay for a work-study job is listed here. On the right side of your letter, you will find helpful information about where to look for outside scholarships. You'll also find a link to learn more about our 5-month payment plans. If you haven't already, make sure to submit your $200 deposit to secure your spot as a Greyhound. You can use the attend.uindy link at the bottom of your letter to access your UIndy admissions portal and submit your deposit. Once you've deposited, your admissions counselor will then reach out to you and walk you through next steps for enrollment, including claiming your UIndy account and other important deadlines. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to your admissions counselor. If you don't know who your admissions counselor is, you can find your admissions counselor's information in your UIndy admissions portal. Thanks for watching our Financial Aid Award Letter breakdown. I can't wait to see all of you future Greyhounds on campus in the fall.